Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. I am Vinayak Panda going to solve CPET Chemistry question 2020 from question number 36 to 70. I hope you all like the part 1 video. Those who have not visited, go through the link which is provided in the description box below. Let's start.
Question number 36. Which of the following is an intensive property?
Option D, all of this above is the right answer. We know that surface tension is a common example of intensive property, but specific heat and molar volume are also example of intensive property.
Question 37. What is the degree of freedom of 0.1 and aqueous solution of NaCl?
Your answer is 3, that is option A.
Question 38. What is the ionic strength of 0.2 m of disodium phosphate?
Your correct answer is option C.
Question 39. Which of the following is not the rate expression for a reaction, that is A plus 2B gives 3P?
Option C is right answer, that is dA by dt.
Question 40. At equilibrium, the process of adsorption involves.
Option B is right answer, that is del S is equal to T del S. As we know, at equilibrium the process of adsorption involves del Z is equal to 0, and we know del Z is equal to del H minus T del S. Since del G is 0, so del S is equal to T del H, and your answer is option B.
Question 41. If molecule A absorbs light energy around 630 nanometer, the color of the solution of A will be
blue. Option B is the right answer. As we know, a molecule is absorb light energy around 630 nanometer, that is orange, and it shows its complementary color, that is blue.
Question 42. The half shell A plus electron gives A minus has a large negative reduction potential. The consequence will be.
Option A is your right answer, that is A is readily reduced.
Question 43. At the end point of acid-base titration involving a strong acid and a strong base, using an appropriate indicator, the pH of the solution would be
neutral. Option C is the right answer.
Question number 44. According to transition state theory for a biomolecular reaction, the activated complex has
one low frequency vibration that leads to product formation. Option D is your correct answer.
Question number 45. The unit of molar extinction coefficient is.
Option A, that is a direct question.
Question number 46. Which of the following statements is correct?
Option C is your right answer, that is potassium and calcium are isotones as these have same number of neutrons, that is 20.
Question 47. A molecule is Raman active if.
The molecule is polarizable. Option A is the right answer.
48. Cathode rays are deflected towards.
Positive electrode. Option A is the right answer.
49. Which is not a renewable energy?
LPG is not a renewable energy. Option D is the right answer.
50. After bubbling air through pure water, which pH is 7, its pH decreased. Which of the following is responsible for the pH change?
Carbon dioxide. Option B is responsible for the pH change because carbon dioxide in the air reacts with water to produce carbonic acid. The hydrogen ion released by the carbonic acid which decreases the pH of pure water.
51. Which of the following is the correct order with respect to their relative stabilities?
Option B is your right answer.
52. According to Bohr's theory, the angular momentum of an electron in the fifth orbit is.
Option D, 2.5 h by pi. Here the formula is nh by 2 pi and the question asked is fifth orbit. So put the 5 in n and get your answer, that is 5h by pi, which is equal to 2.5 h by pi.
53. In a crystal lattice, the Madelung constant depends on the
nature of the crystal system. Option C is the right answer, and the lattice energy is depend on the option A, B and D.
Question 54. Which of the following is the correct order of ionic radii?
Option D is your right answer since these all are isoelectronic.
55. Which of the following pairs corresponds to soft base pair?
Here option D also right answer.
56. The ionic compound which indicates pyrosilicate is?
Option D is your right answer.
Question number 57. The reaction of xenon hexafluoride with cesium fluoride produces a compound that undergoes decomposition after 50 degrees centigrade. The compound is?
Option C is your right answer.
58. What are the precursors used for the synthesis of borazine in Stokes process?
Option A, that is the diborane and ammonia, is your right answer.
Question 59. Which type of isomerism exhibits between this and this compound?
Option C, ionization isomerism, is the right answer. As we know, in ionization isomerism, the bromine and the sulfate, these two anions are exchanged in their place with each other.
Question 60. The primary and secondary valences of cobalt atom in this complex are?
1 and 6, that is option B is your right answer.
61. The rate of reversible hydration of carbon dioxide is accelerated by which of the following biomolecules?
Carbonic anhydrase is your right answer. Option B.
62. Among the following complexes, the one which shows zero crystal field stabilization energy is?
Option B, that is FeS2O whole 6 3 plus is the right answer. As we know, the D5 and D10 configuration shows zero crystal field stabilization energy in case of weak field ligand, and here the weak field ligand is water and the iron has the D5 configuration.
Question 63. The complex this follows 18 electron rule. Which of the following fast row transition metal is present in it?
Your answer is option B, that is iron.
64. The 1 mole of this while reacting with 2 moles of ammonia gives?
Option A is the right answer, and this is an example of trans effect mechanism.
65. The reaction of NaCl and K2Cr2O7 in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid produces a vapor that turns aqueous solution of NaOH into yellow color. While treating this yellow color solution with aqueous lead acetate in the presence of excess acetic acid, it gives yellow precipitate. Which of the following compounds does correspond to this vapor?
And your right answer is option B.
Question number 66. The number of radial nodes present in 3s and 3d orbitals respectively are?
2 and 0. Answer is option A.
67. The brown ring complex compound is formulated as this. The oxidation state of iron in this compound is?
+1, that is option C is the right answer.
68. Which of the following hybridization is present in CIF3 molecule?
sp3d hybridization is the right answer.
69. Which of the following sets of quantum numbers are correct for an electron present in the 4f orbital?
As we see, option C is the right answer. Here the principal quantum number is 4, azimuthal quantum number is 3, magnetic quantum number is +1, and your spin quantum number is +12.
The last question, the question number 70. Which of the following is the incorrect statement about Jay's salt?
Here option A, C and D are the correct statement, but option B, that is all the platinum chlorine bond lengths in Jay's salt are equal, is your incorrect one. So thank you all guys. Please match your answer and provide your score in the comment box. For such chemistry tutorial video, like and subscribe to this channel.